Hello.
It's starting to rain.
It's a nice, right? Oh, you don't like the rain?
Huh? Refrigerator seems to be working now, but check it out.
It's working?
Now it is. It wasn't. As you can see now, it's starting to work. Before, this was not making ice.
Mm-hmm.
This was like, it was like water.
Yeah.
Kind of like this. If you feel that?
It shows 35. It should not be 35.
What should it be?
0.
Okay.
If you want it, I can check it.
Okay.
Yeah. Проблема раю в тому, точка прийому. Зараз дешево нам шаки. It's really hard to find the person who really like you and can understand you.
Exactly.
Right? So that's why maybe.
Living here for 20 years I've been living here. And your name is, what is your name?
Farzona.
Arizona. Nice to meet hard-working people. I work in downtown in Hollywood, Beverly Hills. I service all the area because I would work on the vault doors. So, yeah. So this is your main job? What you're doing right now? This your main job or part-time?
If I get the job from the pools, so I'm just going and do
so
it.
You do.
If I'm free, I told you that I'm working in other jobs.
Oh,
I
you
like
do
just
all,
to,
okay,
yeah.
you do them all.
Yeah.
I got it.
Don't want to waste my time for free.
What country you from?
I'm from Tajikistan. Do you know that?
I heard of it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, so right now you have to pay $130. I send you the link after payment so I can see the schedule for the Monday.
Okay. Yeah, you're working hard, girl.
Yeah. Everybody said that. When you have a time, free time, free time? I just sleeping. Thank you so much.
Okay.
See you on the Monday?
Yes.
Okay. Короче, продали работу. Сейчас, I know shit, $6 $6.